Hi there, students. Imprimatur, imprimatur. I think both of these pronunciations are possible. Okay, imprimatur is a formal noun that says you've got the official permission to do something. Yeah, imprimatur is the official permission given by somebody. So the boss put his imprimatur on my project. Yeah, I couldn't start the project until the boss had put his imprimatur on it. Okay, so imprimatur, the official approval, authorization. Yeah, let's see, this word imprimatur comes from Latin and literally it means let it be printed. But nowadays we use this more loosely to talk about the official approval, official seal of approval, the official sanction. So does my idea get your imprimatur? Yeah, do you approve of it? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Imprimatur, the real meaning of this, it comes from the Catholic religion, from the Catholic Church. And if you wanted to print a book about religion, about the Catholic religion, then you needed official authority to print it, to say that it was not bad for the religion. Yeah, it contained nothing that would harm correct faith or good morals. Yeah, and you had to get the imprimatur, the official declaration by the church that this was okay to print. From there, in many cases there has been censorship about what you can and can't print. I think particularly during the reign of the Soviet bloc, and therefore the imprimatur is also the official permission to print something, to publish something. Yeah, so where there is censorship, yeah, the imprimatur is the official license to allow you to print your book. Yeah, and if you don't get the imprimatur, then you're going to be in terrible trouble. Yeah, imprimatur, imprimatur. Well, both work. Tomato, tomato. And then by extension, we also use this to talk about any official approval, the official approval by something. Yeah, so I wrote a biography about the politician and I got the politician's imprimatur, yeah, his official permission, his official endorsement that this was okay. Yeah, it's a mark of approval, a mark of distinction. I'm thinking of these shops that are purveyors of fine foods to Queen Elizabeth II. Yeah. Okay, this is an imprimatur. It's you get a license or a permission to tell everyone that you supply something to the king or to the queen. Yeah. And effectively that you get their approval to do it, that you get their official approval. So but for example, by allowing your name to be shown on it. Yeah, so wouldn't it be nice if my channel had the official imprimatur of Oxford University or the Cambridge University Press or something like that? But, well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, my English is easily good enough to be official. So, imprimatur, this is a formal word. I'm going to give this a 7.5 in formality. And then as as to origin, as I said, it comes from imprimatur, let it be printed, from imprimere, to print. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Imprimatur. Imprimatur.